Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send BNB from Kucoin to Metamask. It's an easy process, and this can be done if you have an account on Kucoin. And if you do not possess an account on Kucoin, by using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses once you register and verify your account. Alright guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is head over to the assets menu. Once you've logged in, head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once there, you're going to be dropped at the overview, where you can simply scroll from your funding to your trading account, depending on where you have your crypto stored. Select the crypto you have and select the withdrawal option. Once you've selected the withdrawal option, you're going to be taken to the on-chain withdrawal. And all you need to do to fill this is get the information from your MetaMask. Simply minimize and open up MetaMask. Once MetaMask is opened up, make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain. If you're not on this chain, simply move over to the BNB Smart Chain. And you can do this by using the network drop down at the top of the screen. Once you've done this, simply select the BNB Smart Chain. And by simply selecting your BNB Smart Chain network, the next step is quite easy. Simply select the BNB itself. Once you've selected this BNB, scroll down and select the receive option. Copy your address, which is just here. Once you've copied it, minimize. Open up Kucoin once more. Paste the address there. The network is selected automatically. Enter the minimum withdrawal limit and click on withdraw. Now, once you've done this, head back to MetaMask and do a simple reload. And once you're done, you'd find your BNB available. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.